All right, y'all. It's time to cook my Krazy Man Meat Roll. Raggedy, bish. All right, what's going on, y'all? As y'all can see, I got my ingredients out. Well, some of them. We finna make a Krazy Man Meat Roll. It's gonna consist of all kind of veggies and fruits and other exotic ingredients. So let's get to it. Right here we got all kind of spices and seasonings. You got your garlic to the right there of your likings. Got some oil. We have some flour and starch. We got a mango back there and a lemon. And what else we gonna mix with it? We got our eggs right here. Let's see what else. We're gonna put some spinach in it because spinach is good for the skin. You know, if you're trying to level up and detox, you might want to throw spinach in your everyday lunch or dinner meal, you know, and stay soaking up that sun and grounding as well. So yeah, we're going with spinach. We're gonna put some carrots in there, red onion, red potato. Like I told y'all, we finna pack this thing with vegetables and fruit. We gotta start eating right now. We can't just be eating chicken and grease ass slices of pizza every day and then wonder why you can't take a good dump, because you're not putting any of these items in your system to help you keep your system flushed out. Let's get back to it. We got some banana peppers. These things are beauty. We got the red bell pepper. From my understanding, from what I read, the red bell peppers are packed with more nutrients and vitamins, according to Google. All right, let's get to a raggedy bish.
I ain't gonna sit around with a frown while the word go around. All kind of money is falling down. Oh, you know as hell no. I'm into reclusion, never refusing. I hope them pigs don't clap me away. Hope a brother don't wreck me away. Nigga, you know I know as hell no. I say I got to get cheese. I say waking up at 4:30 in the morning while smoking and yawning. I'm praying to the Most High while I'm stomping and bombing. I ain't pissed because the alarm went off sounding real charming. I hit the ground running like I don't have but one day to live sunny. Currency is on my mind. I ain't playing time flying, little dummy. I need to get up more chips to add to my hungry old tummy. Lately, stanky danky had me moving smoother with rhythm. No hanky panky, all moves legit. Nowadays, I'ma kill them. I'm finna get next to a check this bit. I ain't gon' slip, little children. Trying to get credit to get us a building. So we can come together, politics to save our little ones, but we gotta stay away from the white man's cold old building. We gotta be strategic when we getting fucking paper, cause we facing other races, facing other nations. Really don't wanna see an American descendant of slavery get their reparations. Little don't be in their 40 acres. This lie have been told 400 years plus, and that's the cable. They robbed our ass blind while we were watching Bulls and Lakers. So hello ghetto with the black folk and it's smoking Orello. Don't mind if you get mellow, but make sure you get your cash flow, because you already on the totem pole on the bottom. That's why from the 80s to now we say we got them. We talking about sacks of the gas in the bag. Hope your niggas don't transform from that. They're popping morphine up in the mortars. I got to get cheese. I say I got to get cheese. I say I don't own no land, B, don't own no house, G. But guess what, y'all? ESO Flintstone is free. My mind is not up in prison no more, and yes indeed. I'm wishing we can get money without black casualties. Black folk can't even get together most time, even though it's a picnic, because once liquor and drugs is involved, they're gonna kick shit instead of going after your oppressor. Up in the hills trying to rip shit, but dropping all the dope in the hood to get back when we wanna make a meal, bitch. I ain't gonna sit around with a frown while the world go around. All kind of money is falling down. Oh, you know it's hell no. I'm into reclusion, never refusing. I hope them pigs don't clap me away. Hope a brother don't rap me away. Nigga, you know I know it's hell no.